Hello everyone, I'm Amulya BR of Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering and I belong to the branch CSE AI. So today I'm back with another video on the subject Database Management System and on the topic Introduction to DBMS. So let us look into what we're going to learn today. The contents are definition of DBMS, data versus information, types of data models, relational data model, SQL, advantages of DBMS and its conclusion. So now let us see what definition of DBMS is. So what is DBMS? DBMS is a software suite that facilitates the creation, organization, retrieval and management of data in structured environment in an efficient manner. So now the features of DBMS are security. So security means it allows only certain users to access the data. Not everyone can access the data. So this will provide access control to ensure only authorized users can view or modify the specific data. And then the next is scalability. So it allows for the expansion of database as the data volume grows, maintaining performance and efficiency. So then is backup and recovery. It offers a mechanism for regular data backups and recovery in case the system fails or in case there is any data corruption also. So and then comes data organization. So the DBMS will organize data into tables and it enables the logical relationship between different pieces of information that is stored in it. So now let us see the key differences between data and information. So data is nothing but the unprocessed raw facts and figures without any meaning. For example, numbers or any text that is being put up as a data. So and then this is stored in database as records and fields. So this is the foundation for generating meaningful information. Whereas information is processed and organized data that has context as well as significance, which means the information is formed by the data itself. So it is being extracted from the data through queries and processing. So this information will also help in making informed decisions to support any kind of business processes. So examples of information can be reports or any analytical summary. So and then the transformation of data becomes information through processing and analysis. Information has context and it is relevant to certain topic, but data is unorganized and unprocessed. So this is the key difference between data and information. Moving on, now let us see the types of data models. So we have the hierarchical data model, network data model, entity relationship model, relational data model, object oriented data model, document data model and graph data model. So here in these pictures we have this is the hierarchical database model and then this is the document data model. So now let us move on to relational data model. So the key components of relational data model is the table, row, column and key. Here it organizes the data into tables with rows and columns and it emphasizes the relationship between the tables. So the key concepts, as I told, will also include the SQL, that is the structured query language, which is commonly being used in relational data model. So table is nothing but the fundamental unit which represents each relationship. So then rows represent single record or instance of the entity. For example, here the first one, the name Arya. So this contains a specific record. So and then column defines a specific property or characteristic. For example, here we can see the specific characteristic can be the name or age or the GPA. So and then key comes, which is the unique identifier of each row in a table. So there are two types, that is primary key and then foreign key. Primary key will ensure there is uniqueness in each row of the table and foreign key will link to another table. The same, like the tables will be linked together through foreign keys. So now let us see SQL. So SQL stands for Structured Query Language. So this SQL is used for defining and managing the structure of database, including the tables, indexes and views. So this can also provide the security and manage user permissions. That is, it also provides the access control, so that it defines which user can access and modify the data and who cannot. And it also ensures the integrity, data integrity. So data integrity means even if the system is turned off or if there is any sort of data corruption, it protects the data from all those corruptions. So here we have the syntaxes for selecting any column from the table. So this is the syntax for selecting the column. And then we can also update. For updating, it's nothing but changing the value of certain columns. So if we want to update, this is the syntax. And then the delete will also delete the certain value or column from the table. So the purpose of SQL is the data manipulation, that is retrieve or delete, update or select, and then the data control also. Next is advantages of DBMS. So the advantages are data centralization, data integrity. So data integrity means it enforces the data consistency and integrity, thorough constraints and validation rules. So and then is the data security. It implements access control to ensure that only authorized users can view or modify any specific data. So and then is the concurrent data access, that is, it manages multiple users accessing the database simultaneously, preventing the conflicts, and it ensures that there is consistency of data. And then is the efficient data retrieval. So this provides powerful query capabilities, that is, it allows the users to retrieve the specific information from database. And then is data independence, then scalability. It allows for the expansion of database as the data volume grows, maintaining performance as well as the efficiency. And there is enhanced data analysis. By using DBMS, the powerful business institutions can also analyze the data, backup and recovery. So in backup and recovery, it follows the mechanisms for regular backups and recovery also in case the system fails or in case there is any corruption of data. Now we have come to the conclusion that informed decision making is a characteristic of DBMS. So it empowers organization with insights, paving the way for strategic decision making. And then it also has the technological evolution aspect in it. So as the advancement improve in technology, DBMS also continues to evolve to meet the challenges of tomorrow's data. I thank each and everyone for watching the video completely till the end. I also request you to please like the video and share the video amongst your friends. I ensure to come back with another video of different subject. Until then, have a good time. Thank you.